Okay, so Google's new AI could totally change your workday. Let's dive in and see how.
As a small business owner, you know what it's like. Absolutely drowning in admin work.
And all that time, that's time you're not spending on actually growing your business.
So Google's integrating its Gemini AI to make your tools faster, smarter, and way more personal.
So it's not just a tool anymore. It's becoming more like a real collaborative partner.
First up, let's talk Google Docs. Imagine getting a first draft without typing a word. The cool part? It pulls info from your stuff, so the content's actually relevant. This is huge for keeping a consistent voice and format, especially when your team collaborates. All right, let's move on to Google Sheets. This is where data gets a major upgrade. Just tell it what you need, and boom, you get a ready-made spreadsheet, saving you hours. But for really complex stuff, the Fill with Gemini tool is a total game changer. Yeah, you just set up the columns, and Gemini goes out and fills in the blanks for you. And you guessed it, this all extends to Google Slides to make presentations way faster. Think about it. You could create an entire client deck just from a simple prompt. And finally, Drive. It's not just for storage anymore. It's getting a brain.
It's basically like having a research assistant that already knows all your business data.
You're getting answers from your files. That saves so much time in prep work.
So what's the bottom line? Less time on busy work, more time on your actual business.
You can really see the shift here from manual grunt work to strategic, high-level thinking.
So how do you get it? Here's the deal on availability right now.
So, could this be the end of busy work? With an AI partner, it really looks like it.